Hi, so this is Jeff, and I've got a problem with my 2002 Camry, although there's other ones of the series that can have this problem too. There's this blinking light for the AC, which signifies that it's not working. So the solution to this is actually quite easy. You don't really have to buy a part. I'll show you in a second. You just got to pop the hood. So I popped the hood on the Camry. And we're going to go just to the right of the battery. There's a sort of box which has the fuses and then the part that we're actually looking for. So you just pop off the top of it. And there, this sort of light gray box there is what we're actually going to, the thing that we're actually going to be working with. So you're actually going to pull this out. I'm just going to yank it out in a second. So I've actually sort of loosened it up with a screwdriver, and it just pulls out like this. And it sounds ridiculous, but what I've read online is that you can throw this against a piece of plywood on the ground, something to protect it so it's not completely banging the crap out of it, but we're tapping it with the sort of the head of the screwdriver. Another way is just sort of something in there is stuck, and try to get it loose. So let me try doing that right now. So I don't have a piece of plywood, but this is an asphalt parking lot surface, and I got this instruction manual for some kind of baby toy. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw it against the ground right now, just like this. Just kind of chuck it one more time. And then maybe one last time here. So I whacked it on the ground a couple of times, and I'm just going to try to put it back in and see if it works. And put it back into this empty space on the right, not the left, because the left doesn't have any connections terminals down there. So I just push it back in, and then I'm just put the cover on loose and see how it works. And then, so as you'll notice, the AC is working again. It's not blinking anymore. So the last time I had to do this was maybe a couple of years ago. And so every so often that little resistor gets stuck, and instead of having to buy a new part or take it into a dealership and having them diagnose it, that's the first thing you do, because that solution's free. And it's something that's really easy, and it's just a really strange quirk of the Camrys, but it's something that's really easily fixed. So that's how you can troubleshoot when your AC isn't working and the green light on the AC button is flashing, and that's all. Thanks for watching.